Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to stay updated when I make a new upload. And please follow me on Instagram as well. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have the Honda City, and this video is all about the diagnostics of the Honda City, like the Honda City tachometer, like the whole speedometer can do a self check of the car. So I'll tell you step by step, and this test is available, means is applicable from the Honda City in 2008 till now, like till the facelifted fourth generation Honda City. So from the third generation till the fourth generation facelift. So let's start. Step 1, insert the key in the ignition. Step 2, keep the trip meter button pressed until set to be released. 3, keep this pressed and turn the parking light on. Step 4, turn on the ignition. Step 5, after turning it on, the parking light should be off, on, off. Now release the trip meter and press it thrice. And here is how the display you will get, the diagnostics. As you guys can see, all the warning symbols are on, and if you press it again it will happen. As I said, it's applicable only for the Honda City from 2008 till present. Through this process, the car does a self-check, and whatever problems are there, you can go and check it through Honda. They will be having some device or something. So through that, they will check your car, and if any fault is there, they can tell you through the device. So thank you so much. Please like, comment, and subscribe.